Can you guess who is at the top of this mountain? Look, right up there. We're gonna find out by doing some mountain climbers to go all the way up. Put your hands on the floor, put your legs back. Awesome. This movement is gonna make our arms and our core muscles, those are our belly muscles, and our obliques and our back muscles, super strong. So you ready? Let's climb up the mountain. Woo! Come on, friends. Bring those knees up. You got it, you got it, you got it. Woo! Smile through it. Keep running, keep running. Woo! Bring those knees up. Climb up this mountain, we're almost there. Whoa! A snowball, did you see that? Get low, get low. Woo! Let's try it again, ready? We're almost to the very top. Here we go. 10 more left. Woo! That's it, 5 more. 4, 3, 2, 1. Who's at the top? Who is it? Who's at the top of the mountain? It's my friend, Yeti. And actually, Yeti loves making delicious hot chocolate. So I thought we could have a mindful moment to calm our bodies down and have some hot chocolate. Do you like hot chocolate? Yeah, me too. Oh, thanks, Yeti. Let's pick up our big warm cup of hot cocoa. Yum, feel how hot it is on your hands. Let's take a deep breath in and smell our hot chocolate. It smells good. Let's blow off all the steam. Yeah, let's try it again. Take a big deep breath in, smell your hot chocolate. And blow up all the steam. Remember, breathing is your superpower to help you calm down and feel good and strong and peaceful inside. You got this.
Go with Yo-Yo!